Let me show the scenario. Look at how beautiful. Nature is always beautiful. So today I am here because Alaikum everyone. Hopefully you all are doing great with the blessings of Allah Almighty. I am here for day 10 of English speaking practice. Today I am in the field, so I decided to record video in the field. Um, because my cow is at my mother place, so I came my mother home at daily. So I came at my mother home daily basis. So yesterday when I came to my mother home, my mother told me, you will come tomorrow at 9 a.m. because we will give water to the cow fooder. So that's the reason in the early morning I completed my household chores, and then when I dropped off my children to the school, I directly came to my mother home. I did not go again to the home. So when I reached there, me and my mother, we both connect the pipes because the pipes were in different parts. So we both connect the parts, and then we give the water to the cow fooder, because due to the lack of the rain there is no cow fooder. So because I bought in this year cow, so I did not have enough fooder for cow. So we need now water. Being a farmer, being a villagers, we need water, we need rainwater for the growth of crops and weeds also. So we just gave water to the field, to the cow fooder, and now it's look very beautiful. Nature, look at, see how beautiful. So yes, whenever you spend time, so whenever you spend time in the nature, you feel always energetic. And if you are very tired, exhausted, and if you spend some time in the greenery, you feel automatically energetic. Like your environment affect you a lot. This is the truth. Yesterday I searched about my video topic that was different, but today suddenly I decided to make video just about the greenery and what's I had done. So that's all about today's video. Thank you so much for watching my video. See you in the next video, inshallah. Take care and stay blessed.